Okay, hey, hope everyone's well. Just gonna make a quick video tonight of still having issues with the tires clearing the coilovers. I got it to clear the shaved down caliper, so no issues there, but the tires are too fat, so they're rubbing the coil over. So unfortunately I'm gonna have to throw in a spacer, but with the spacer I do not have enough room on the studs, right? So pick these up. All right, 3-inch studs. So I gotta push these 5 out, check it out. If it works, do the other side, then hopefully put everything back together. Here we go. Okay, so that wasn't too horrible. Alright, I got the new 3-inch studs in. The spacer, and as you saw on the 360, got the tire on, so now it's pulled off of here, it spins nicely. Okay. A couple issues though. Number one, I think I read this online somewhere, but these lug nuts won't work unless I cut the heads off them. Because they got to be open-ended in order to seat all the way down the bottom, because yeah, I was not getting quite there. The wheel was wobbly, if you notice that. Okay. And I might need one of those little plastic hub center pieces just to center that baby up. I'm not quite sure on that yet, but anywho, it's coming together. I only got a few weeks, and I need to get it together so it's drivable, because yeah, I'll be out of commission at the end of this month, so gotta get her done. All right, hope everyone's having a great night.